Hey guys, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. If you've been with us, welcome back. And if this is your first video with us, go ahead, subscribe and see what we got coming next. We're always posting new things that we get in the shop, cars that we're selling. This one right here we are selling. This is a 1967 Shelby GT500, lime gold, automatic, black deluxe interior. This is number 2827. Has Le Mans stripes, as you can see, which I think they look really good with lime gold paint. We'll stroll around, and as I'm strolling around, I'll tell you a little bit about the history and a little bit about the car. It obviously is a 10-spoke car originally, so we got them on there today. This car does have some good history as far as ownership. If you're a big fan of the Dallas Cowboys, this was owned by a Cowboy. His name is Walen. He was a defensive tackle for the Cowboys. And also this car was owned by the producer of the Saw films, if you've ever seen those. And his name is Oren Koules, or Koules, depending how you pronounce it. So it does have some neat ownership history. This car was restored about 10 years ago by Legendary Motor Cars when they had it in their possession. I'm getting a little shadow here. The sun just poked out from the clouds. It does have car-like glass, if you can see that, all the way around. Get down the side of it here. You can see the side. Personally, I'm a big fan of lime gold. I know that some aren't. The flies here where I'm doing this video, they're a big fan of it. If you can see little black spots, that's actually flies. It's not in the paint. This is an outboard car, as it is a later car. Bear with me here, and I'll get the hood pins and we'll pop the hood. As you can see, very well sorted under the hood. It does have its BK carburetors, Cobra Le Mans valve covers, C7ZX, dual 4 intake. It does have the original Ford AC unit with the iconic louvered hood. The Z does precede the serial number and the Shelby tag there, as it is a later car. Very well sorted under the hood. Let's hop over to the interior. As you can see, a beautiful black deluxe interior. This car is an original 47,000 mile car. If you go back through the history in the SAC registry, the clean history on this car, it is believed that those are original miles. You can see all the way around here, very nice seats. Original belts, original retractors. Flip the seat up so you guys can see the rear seat. Like I said, great original interior. Very nice. We'll pop around to the trunk here. I always leave the key in it, make it a little bit easier. As you can see, they did put a full-size spare in here. So you got the 10-spoke with the BF good wrench. Factory sound deadener back there. See the sound deadener back there as well. Here's a few documents I threw in the trunk to talk about a little bit. Obviously, most people know the Marti Report, so there is the Marti Report on this car. Here are the Shelby invoices. Copies of those. And this right here is the Shelby Research Group technical report. This is done by Brian Stiles. These are awesome reports, and actually Brian will do these for free. So if you own a 67 Shelby, reach out to Brian Stiles with the Shelby Research Group, and he'll get you one of these. So it's got a lot of great information on there. As you can see, tells you a lot about the car. And Brian's easy to work with, great to get along with. So he'll do this for you. So you can see a little bit of what his report contains. So like I said, 2827. This is a Shelby GT500. Lime gold, Le Mans stripes over the top. Great looking car. Makes for one hell of a driver for somebody looking for one. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Nate's Classic Cars, www.natesclassiccars.com. If you like our videos, subscribe. We'll see you guys around the next time.